Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Thursday and a great week. Well, today we're going to be starting Her Majesty's roses that I got this morning from DiamondArtDecor. And today we're going to start in this red rose. Let me get my fingers out of the way. This red rose right here, and the color is 321 red. So it's a bright, vivid red. I did not want to start with the background because I just thought it would be just way too boring. So yeah, I forgot to get my little needle minder there. I got my little cloisonne one today. And it is 14 count, so I'm going to bring you in so you can see what we're doing. I don't know that you can see that symbol that I'm working on. It's kind of a neon green, if you will. So, why not? But I wanted to start on the roses since that's the centerpiece of the whole thing. It was going to be either that or the vase that it's in. How is everybody doing? It is my weekend. Yay! Oh, yesterday was quite quiet. Very, very, very quiet. And I guess I'm going to need a thimble today. So, kind of glad to be home for another 4 days. We'll see what the weather decides to do. It said it was supposed to snow tonight, so we'll see if it holds up to that. But it's going to be in the mid-40s, maybe? Yeah. And I don't know if it'll be windy or anything like that. I have to go and run to my daughter's house and talk at her for a few hot moments. Really? What is going on here? I think I went through the thread for some reason. Haven't done that in a hot moment. So, yeah. And I don't know if we'll go anywhere from there, you know, to do anything. We may end up at the thrift store, but I don't know. No grand plans. She sounded pretty tired yesterday. They had to, I don't know how to call it. They had to seal the roof. Does that make any sense? They get this stuff that you paint on. I don't think it's a spray on stuff. She did it to parts of my roof when I moved into this house, and haven't had to do it since. So, yeah. They did that, and there was some more outdoor things. I think they're stacking wood. They had wood delivered, so, because they have a wood-burning stove, and that's how they heat their house. So, the lady just drops it off, and then they just stack it wherever they want to stack it. They have a few places. Some's up closer to the house, and some's further away, and then when they run out by the house, then they go and get the other. They just keep it covered with a tarp. So it's an every year occurrence. So they had that delivered. It was sometime, maybe Friday. So I can't remember what day it was that lady was supposed to show up there. So I've been on the phone with her a couple of times, not the wood lady, but my daughter, so I can't remember when that all transpired. So yeah, I am looking forward to doing this one. This is going to be just absolutely stunning. I'm going to have to get out my other one that I think it's called Joy on a Branch, maybe. Crazy name, but it works. I like that one too. Just stunning. Joy Sunday really outdid themselves. And it has, I don't remember how many colors are in that per se. I know isn't there 50 in this one? I think that's right. So yeah, something different to work on. Oh, you're kidding me. What in the heck? Okay, when in doubt. Oh, okay. I pulled on it and it straightened itself out. I was about ready to cut it out of there and just keep moving, because there is certainly enough colors around all this to keep the threads in. I'm not real worried. If it was by itself, I might fight through it, but didn't even have to. Didn't have to. So, see if I can get one of these roses. Yeah, you know, pretty close to done. I got other things that I want to stitch on. Want to work on the teacups this weekend, and of course that little rabbit. It's getting close. And of course, you know, the two big ones. Got to work on them for a little bit. So yeah, I'm not real clear on the weather. I'm not in the mood for snow, but let's get it over this week so we don't have it next week. Maybe? What do you think? Think that'll work? Probably not. But, you know, I have no doubt we'll get to where we got to go for Thanksgiving, because everybody's got a four-wheel drive and somebody can come get me. It's kind of a straight shot, though, through where I live to that place. So if I just drive slow, I can get there. But I'm sure one of them would come and get me. Somebody. Because they've all got the four-wheel drives. But my car does good in snow. I just don't go fast. You know? And then I'll have to go grocery shopping tomorrow. Get things lined out that I need to have for Thursday and for the rest of the week, of course. But I don't have to go do laundry, so I'm thrilled. I do that every 2 weeks. Just gets to be a little much. And I don't go through that many clothes to have to do it every week. It's not like I'm raising kids here, and it's just me. The cat doesn't wear clothes. She's got her fur coat special, so. And she hasn't asked me to take it to the dry cleaners yet. I don't even know if their dry cleaners exist. I haven't seen one in this town for, I just haven't. I don't know if that's something they do at the laundromats, you know, like separately, because it hasn't come up. I don't have any clothes that need to be dry cleaned per se that I know of. Everything I've got is wash and wear. I decided that a long time ago. So get rid of that needle. Come on, Thimble, work with me here. Okay, let's see, where do we want to go here? There's probably 6 more symbols in this rose, so but they're mostly going in like rivers of color, maybe. So they're not too terribly bad. Like this color, I could go and do all of this color for this rose if I, you know, felt the desire to. And then go on to a different color there, so doesn't bother me at all. But it's much easier to see. It's not, you know, every third stitch has got to be a different color. It's not that way. Because it's a rose, and so it's in swirls, if you will. I don't know how else to explain. So, I haven't minded doing any of these roses on any of the Joy Sunday or the, the Spring Company one. The peacocks or anything, so. Peacocks the same way. And, what do you call it? Colorful Town is even more different. It's like in rivers, actually, so. You can work on a section with 4 or 5 colors to get all that shading in. But it's not, confetti either, so I guess this was kind of a good choice. But they sure turn out pretty when they're done. That one on that peacock is just stunning. I haven't got into the peacock, so I don't know how stunning it's going to be, but the roses on that side are just absolutely beautiful. They both companies do a really good job. Oh, so I have no idea what I'll be stitching on other than this today. Trying to stitch like maybe half an hour, maybe an hour. I mean, if I really like it, you know, like the ladies, at a time, and then, you know, go on to something else just so I don't get tired of something. But if it's going really well, then I just stick with it for the rest of the day and all bets are off, so. But been trying to hit more kits in one day than just one. Other times I just feel like stitching on 11 count or just 14 count for the day. So we're working on them piece by piece, bit by bit. It's about time to get out that Christmas room from, it's by Joy Sunday, actually, I think. Yeah. That I have. It's 14 count, and it's, well, you know, I think it's 14 count. Because the first one I got of that, it was 11 count. And it was maybe 50 by 50. I can't remember. Jill's of Jill Green here on YouTube has the same one. And we were both working on them. And then Joy Sunday, all of a sudden, I think last year, came out with that same kit. The one we were working on is either a Yishu or a Huacan. So, yeah. Gorgeous. I can hardly wait to see what it looks like in 14 count. But it's fair good size. I would say it's maybe 60 by 60, if I remember correctly. So, we'll see. But it has a lot more colors, I think, than the smaller kit. But the definition should be there. So, we'll see. I'll pull it out one of these days. And I've got to look for my nativity one that's probably, I want to say 50 by 60, something like that. I think it's close to square. But it's a really nice kit too, and I can't remember. Kind of want to say Joy Sunday did it. I can't remember in my brain who made that one, but it's beautiful. Somebody else here on YouTube was working on that. I can't remember who it was now. But they had like the whole background done, you know, like let's say of the sky, and yeah, they had a whole lot of progress on it. Me, not so much. It's just a beautiful, beautiful kit. So I have to pull those out of their little rabbit holes in the other room, you know. Because I have like a whole plastic tote of just Christmas stuff. Christmas kits, I should say. I don't want to make that sound like it's in with the Christmas tree or anything. So, and I gotta find, isn't it called Kiss Santa? No, what is that called? That little girl, or Kiss the Snowman? Maybe it's a snowman. I can't remember. But I like that one too. It's a smaller kit. Yeah, some of my favorite winter ones. Not so much favorite is the 12 Days of Christmas. You know, it is a Joy Sunday, and it is full of confetti. And then it's got its stray parts. It's like, ugh. And the back stitch is phenomenal. It's like, oh my goodness. Yeah. We'll never finish that one, I'm telling you. Still looking for the kittens in the basket, too. I'm not real sure what I did with that one. But I'll know it. It's in its own bag, and it's got plenty of thread to it. It's an 11 count. So, maybe we'll look up some of these things this weekend. Alright. Let me see if I can get down this line of stitching and not run out. That kind of went a long way, if I do say so. That 321 is about 2 shades off of 666 red. It's got a little more dark in it. Let me get that thimble off my finger. It's driving me crazy. All right. Here, let me undo that. I had that just so I could hang on to it. I don't know that you can see the edge of that rose. It's like from here to here. So it's awfully bright. Alright guys, well thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.